got a bunch of cows. Hi, bud. We got a herd of cows. Got to be careful. Don't want to run this farmer's cows over. Okay, thank you. Salamat. Hi, guys. So beautiful. Okay, we gotta go. It's so much fun riding this Husqvarna up the mountains. No trespassing. Trespassers will be shot. Sounds like fun. I don't really want to get shot. You know, the Philippines is awesome. We're in the Visayas.